I'm 56, so I'm old school. In this video, I'm going to share with you some dunks, and I'm going to share them in old school format. Yes, I'm talking about the OG technology of film strips. Before 4K phones and cameras, before DVDs and even VHS tapes, there was the technology of film strips. Now, if you're too young to ever have experienced this or know about it, just sit back and enjoy. The title of this video was You Won't Believe These Dunks, and you probably shouldn't, because the last four were just jumped poses. Currently, I can barely touch the rim, and over the last 6 months, I've only been able to squeak in a couple little dunks on 9.5 foot rims. I've had an armada of rotating injuries over the last couple of years, not to make excuses, but it has been a lot harder than usual to get into training and be consistent with so many dang injuries. Even so, I'm super excited for dunk camp coming up next week. I just hope I can generate enough adrenaline to do well and not embarrass myself too much. Stay tuned next week. We'll have a fun recap of how things went.
Push the button.
Do it.